Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tasty Kerala special jackfruit curry. It's a very popular recipe from Kerala. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 3 cups of sliced jackfruit pieces. Then add 1 cup of water, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 2 whistles on medium flame. Cooking time for each cooker will be different. After 2 whistles, switch off the flame. Leave it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Everything has cooked well. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds. After mustard seeds spluttering, keep it low flame. Then add 2 red chilies cut into half, some curry leaves, saute it for 30 seconds. Then add 1.5 sliced onion or 15 chopped shallots. Add any one of the item only. Mix it well. Saute it on medium flame for 5 minutes. When it starts changing its color, keep it low flame. Add 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Now add the previously cooked jackfruit to it. Mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Our special jackfruit curry is ready. We need only 30 minutes to make this delicious recipe.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.